against the Argentinians, but it all began so differently. Argentina were in the driver's seat to begin with.
Yeah, it was like India was a different team in the second half, was it not? Conceding a penalty stroke very early in the first quarter, and Argentina had the tails up when they got the second goal. India created some of their own chances, but nothing convincing in the first quarter.
Yeah, the second quarter, or rather the second half, began with right earnest. Dilraj earning this penalty corner. Some opportunities, 4 successive penalty corners where they tried to go straight. Anmol was denied by the keeper. And here, where Argentina reversed the pressure. Good attempt by Serrano, who played his heart out for the Argentinians.
And of this aerial ball, a sloppy bit of marking, but Princedeep, I thought, did well to come out and narrow the angle. The constant pressure. This was close to the end of the second quarter. And of this little spin, they got the second goal, Argentina, and they were pretty much sitting in the driver's seat at this point in time.
Santiago Fernandez getting that goal in, but late in that half, India getting this PC, and then this beautiful variation all the way to Ankit.
Exploiting that space behind the charger were there. And off the next one, they repeated it like a replay. It was just that it went to the roof of the net this time around.
Yeah, Manmeet bringing India back on level terms. Argentina kept pulling forward. This was exceptional work. But Princedeep, brave tackle, getting it away from Bruno Correa, the danger man in the Argentinian team. This was another chance.
And then they piled on the pressure, India did they. And then of that, he was pushed down, a penalty stroke, and that was the third for India. Shardhan and Tiwari with that.
And then Argentina taking off their goalkeeper, which meant that this was almost just a formality. Anmol Ekka, who had provided on a couple of occasions, this time finishing it off to provide the icing on